It's 2025 and one would think that whatever the phone makers can do to improvise the camera systems has already been done, right? Because the camera systems on smartphones nowadays are so mature. Well, not for OPPO apparently, because they still have some tricks up their sleeves. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So when I received this unit of OPPO Reno14 Pro from OPPO Malaysia, they actually mentioned that the flash system on this phone is different from all other smartphones and it can actually take low light flash photography in multiple ways. So quickly, let's talk about the camera specs. It's got a 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide camera, 50 megapixel 3.5x optical zoom camera and a 50 megapixel front camera. And when it comes to the flash, there are two modes, flash mode and also fill light. In flash mode, it gives depth to subjects in low light by turning them from a flat 2D photo into 3D. So how did they do it? So basically, the camera system will have a pre-flash and then a strong main flash to capture the photo. So here are some comparisons between photos taken without flash and also with flash mode on. It can also be used to take live photos. Let me show you. Now if you want to use the fill light mode, all we need to do is just tap on always on. And then we can see a soft light which is consistently on. It's almost like the LED lights that is always on when you are doing videography. Now you must be wondering, which photos do people like more? Flash mode or fill light? Let's ask these people. It's with the always on light. What do you think?
It's alright.
It's alright. And then this is with flash on.
Oh my god.
Oh,
that is nice.
love. And then we have the no flash.
Okay.
Which one is your favorite?
This one.
The flash one?
Yeah, the second one.
Alright.
Oh, it's so nice.
This is
Wow!
without flash. What do you think?
It's nice though.
Wait, don't swipe first.
Okay.
Rating 0 to 10.
Yeah, what are you first?
Maybe 7, 8.
7, 8.
Like that. Yeah.
Wow, so clear.
It's nice, yeah.
Even though my bruise, they can't see.
Whoa. 0 to
For
10.
me, 8.5.
8.5. Next one is with flash on. Wait. Whoa.
So nice though.
Yeah.
Rating 0 to 10.
9.5.
10.5.
9.5.
9.
9.
Yeah.
Okay, next one is always on flash.
Wow.
But also nice.
Nice though.
Oh, rating?
The camera is kind of like... Wow, alright. Is it like they have like auto filter for
It's a little bit of a beauty filter, yeah. Yeah. Okay, rating 0 to 10.
9.5?
9.5 also.
It's better already.
8.5.
8.5. So as you can see, whether it's fill light, flash mode or without flash, they actually love all the photos taken using the OPPO Reno14 Pro. Now let's take a look at the upgraded AI Live Photo 2.0 feature. I'm sure you've seen this before. It basically takes a 1.5 seconds clip before and after you take a photo, and then it's merged together to form a 3-second clip. With the OPPO Reno14 Pro, it uses dual exposure fusion to capture a short exposure to freeze the action and a longer exposure for details. This is to ensure that every live photo, you'll get a super sharp photo and also a fun 3-second clip. We can also use the 4K clip to turn it into a high-res photo. And then AI will use this effect called Pro XDR effect to make it into a very sharp and nice cover photo. Here's a secret insider tip. Okay, I actually heard from them that the OPPO's live photos can now be shared directly to Instagram and TikTok. It's basically the first Android phone that allows customers or also users to do this. AI editing on the Reno14 Pro has also been improved. You can recompose your shots with AI Recompose like this. Just select one of the various options and let AI compose for you. AI Perfect Shot lets us pick a face, which is the best one from a bunch of group photos. This allows all the members of the group to show the best expression and face. You can now vlog with just the OPPO Reno 14 Pro, no need additional mics. Because the phone now has 4K HDR recording and also AI Vlog Voice Enhancer, whereby it can remove or suppress surrounding voice apart from your voice. And this is a sample vlog using the back camera with ultra-wide lens. Front and back also can. Now of course we cannot neglect the design, right? They call this the iridescent mermaid design, whereby you get to see multicolored lights and shadow effects in the material called velvet glass. The hand feel is very nice, smooth and comfortable. It comes in multiple colors. The one I have here is opal white. Since the device is using MediaTek Dimensity 8450 chip, it can definitely be great for gaming. But what I want to show you is more than gaming. The OPPO Reno 14 Pro can help you create gaming highlights so you can share them on social or with friends. The AI game highlight feature knows the best moments and helps you make a short video out of it. Either a 3-second live photo or a 15-second video, all possible. So those are some of the brand new features on the OPPO Reno 14 Pro. The Reno 14 series is available for pre-order from today until 12 July with instant rebates of up to 200 ringgit and exclusive rewards worth up to 2,396 ringgit. Additionally, you may also experience the Reno 14 series firsthand at its roadshow for exclusive rewards until 6 July at Centre Court Pavilion, KL. Hope this video is able to help you decide whether you want to buy the new OPPO device or not, okay? If you love gadgets, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!